Hello yogis, and welcome to the YOGATX YouTube channel. My name is Jill Enticknap, and I'm the lead founder and trainer at Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. And I am here with you on the YOGATX YouTube channel to share some beautiful practice with you. This is going to be a quick, gentle practice where we open up the body for our day. So this is great to do any time of day, but especially in the morning to warm up our bodies and prepare our bodies to move through our day. So we'll start in an easy seat, ground down into your sit bones and get nice and tall through the crown of your head, closing down your eyes. Let's start to become aware of the rhythm of breath coming in and out of the body. Feel the inhale expand, noticing the different parts of the body that expand and feeling the body release. Deep breath in. Open mouth exhale, breathe it out. And again, deep breath in. Open mouth exhale, breathe it out. Let's engage our Ujjayi breath here. Inhales and exhales through the nose. You can gently press your tongue against the roof of your mouth to create restriction in the back of your throat. If you can hear yourself breathing, that's perfect. That is your Ujjayi breath. We'll maintain this breath as we stay connected and allow the breath to anchor us into the present moment. Let's let the hands rest on the knees, tucking the chin to the chest, drawing the shoulders back. 2 deep breaths. Slowly, gently roll right ear, right shoulder, left ear, left shoulder. Right ear, right shoulder, left ear, left shoulder. One more time, right ear, right shoulder, left ear, left shoulder. Come through center. Let's inhale, lift the nose to the ceiling, open through the throat. Exhale, tuck the chin to the chest. Inhale, open up the throat, lift the gaze. Exhale, tuck the chin to the chest. One more, inhale, open up. And exhale, tuck the chin to the chest. Come through center. Let's gaze over our right shoulder and walk our left fingertips away from the body. Inhale as you look up toward the ceiling, still looking to the right. Exhale as you look down toward the floor, tuck the chin to the chest. Come back through center, head through center, left hand, left knee, gaze to the left, walk the right fingertips away. Inhale, lift your gaze toward the ceiling. Exhale, tuck the chin to the chest, look toward the floor. Come back through center, gaze through center. Inhale, shoulders to ears. Exhale, roll them back and down. 2 more. Inhale, lift, and exhale, lower. Inhale, lift, and exhale, lower. Let's inhale, sweep the arms up overhead. Exhale, cactus out the arms, open through the chest. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend right. Lengthen through the side body, lift with your gaze. Inhale through center. Exhale, left hand down, right hand reaches, lift with the gaze. Inhale through center. Exhale, cactus out your arms. Let's inhale, lengthen here. Exhale, twist left. Inhale through center. Exhale, twist right. Inhale through center. Exhale, twist left. Inhale through center. Exhale, twist right. Inhale through center. Let's reach it all the way up. Look up, reach up, and exhale. Let the hands come down to the knees. Seated cat-cow. Inhale, arch the spine forward, bring the chest forward, draw the shoulder blades together. Exhale, press the spine back, tuck the chin to the chest, really hollow out the belly as you draw the belly button to the spine. Inhale, arch it forward. Exhale, round it back. Inhale, arch it forward. Exhale, round it back. Let's take 2 more. Inhale, arch it forward. Exhale, round it back. 1 more. Inhale, arch it forward. Exhale, round it back. Come through center, soles of the feet come together, knees come out wide. You can wrap your hands around your feet for a moment and flap out your knees, starting to open up through the hips. Let's take those hands and plant them behind us, pressing the knees to the floor and lifting the chest to the ceiling. Press the knees toward the floor. Feel that opening through the front line, through the hips. Come back through center. Inhale, arms up, and exhale, hinge forward. Shine the chest between the biceps. Inhale through center. Let's bring those hands down. Take your right foot, sweep it out to the right. Take the right hand to the inside edge of that right foot. Left hand sweeps overhead, opening up through your side body. Let's come through center and twist to the left. Draw that left shoulder back. Feel that length. Stay tall. Let's inhale, lengthen, and exhale, twist. Torso through center, take that left foot, send it out, right foot tucks in. Take that left hand to the inside edge of the right leg, wherever it lands, works, and reach that right hand overhead, lifting your gaze. Feel that length through the side body. Torso through center, and let's twist to the right. Draw the right shoulder back, feel that length. Stay nice and tall. Come back through center. Let's open up the right leg as wide as feels comfortable in your body, whatever works for you. Get tall on an inhale, and on your exhale, plant the hands down and hinge forward. We'll take 3 deep breaths here. Torso through center. Take that left leg, sweep it all the way over to the right leg, coming to sit with the legs extended on the mat. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, hinge forward. Let's inhale, reach it up. Plant the hands back, draw the chest to the ceiling, open through the front line. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, hinge it forward. Inhale, arms up, sweep those hands behind you, open up through the front line. From here, really ground down into the palms, point the toes, lift the hips, press the mat away. Engage the glutes. For 3, 2, 1, plant the hips down. Bend into the knees, lean it back, shift the knees from side to side. Take the hips, shift them toward the heels, and come down onto your back. Reach your fingertips toward your heels, walk your heels toward your glutes. Inhale, lift your hips, shimmy your shoulder blades underneath your chest, tuck your chin to your chest. Let's take 3 deep breaths. Slow and controlled, lower the spine down. Draw the right knee in toward the chest, and then send that right leg up toward the ceiling. Reaching for the back of the leg, drawing that leg in. Bend into the right knee. Let's take that right hand and press the right knee forward. Feel that through the right hip. Release that hand from the right foot, and let's shift the knee from side to side. Find your fullest range of motion here, shifting from side to side. Come through center. Let's reach for the back of the left leg, drawing that left leg in, feeling that opening through the right hip. Take a moment and roll out the left ankle. Let's plant that left foot back down, right foot plants down. Draw the left knee to the chest, give it a squeeze. Send it straight up to the ceiling, reaching for the back of that leg, opening up through the back line of the leg, through the hamstrings. Take that right ankle above, or the left ankle above the right knee. Press that left knee forward. Let's take a shift from side to side with the right knee. You find your full range of motion here, coming as far left and as far right as possible in your body. Shift it through center. Let's reach for the back side of that leg. Draw it in. Notice what you feel through that left hip. Take a moment to roll out the right ankle. Squeeze that right knee in, plant the right foot on the floor, left foot comes to plant next to it. Take a moment, gently shift the knees from side to side. Cactus out your arms, cactus out the arms, really anchor down into the shoulders and let both knees fall over to the right side as you gaze over the left shoulder. Let's take 3 deep breaths here. Knee comes back through center, head through center, and let's drop both knees over to the left side, gazing out over the right shoulder. 3 deep breaths. Knees come back through center. Draw the knees into the chest, give them a squeeze. Send the legs straight up to the ceiling, flipping the palms facing down. We'll take 3 deep breaths here. And then slow and controlled, start to lower the heels down to the mat. Nice and controlled all the way down. Let's take the right hand onto the heart and the left hand onto the belly, and let's reconnect to that Ujjayi breath. As we're in our final resting pose, finding some level of relaxation and release in the body, I'd like to share a breath practice with you. I call this balanced breath, and I find this breath to be extremely calming. So how it works is you take your deepest inhale, counting your inhale on the way up and pausing when you have that full complete inhale. And then whatever the count was, count down. So we're balancing out our inhale and our exhale. If your count up was to a 4, your count out is to a 4. If your inhale was a count of 6, then your exhale is a count of 6. So we're balancing out the inhale and exhale. And you might find that as you take multiple of these balanced breaths, your breath starts to expand. So one inhale may be a count of 6, the next one may be a count of 7, the next one may be a count of 10. And that's perfectly okay. Just make sure that your inhale and your exhale are balanced. So let's take 3 breaths on your own, counting your inhale on the way up. And your exhale, same countdown. Let's take a few more rounds of intentional, mindful breath here. Draw your knees into your chest, rock and roll the length of your spine, and then pop yourself up into an easy seat. Let's complete our practice where we began, pressing the palms through heart center and tucking your chin to your chest. Taking a moment to thank yourself for showing up on your mat, for creating the time and the space in your schedule for you to be here. Know that your practice is important because you are important. This practice, it helps us to cultivate a stronger relationship between our mind, our body, our emotions. Every time we come to our mat, we strengthen that relationship and connection. My philosophy is life is all about connection. So the more you show up, the deeper your connection can be. Thanks for being here on YOGATX. Again, my name is Jill Enticknap, the lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. If you'd like to learn more about Yogi Institute, please head to my website, www.yogiinstitute.com. I also have a YouTube channel if you're looking for a longer practice. My classes on there are usually about 30 minutes. I love and appreciate the YOGATX community, and it is truly my pleasure and honor to share this practice with you. The light, the love, the wisdom in me sees, honors, reflects, and encourages the light, the love, the wisdom in you. Namaste. I hope to see you again on your mats very, very soon. If you enjoyed this practice, be sure to like it, be sure to subscribe. And if there is something that you're working on in your yoga practice and you would like me to create a video on that, just put a note in the comments, and we always read the comments, and I would love to create something just for you. I hope to see you again soon, and until then, may your light be your guide.